I am Andrew Kennedy. This assignment is for me to teach you about the new nutrition facts label. Since as of January, the new label has been mandated for manufacturers greater than or equal to $10 million per year, and next year for all manufacturers of food. I want to inform you of what is on this new label and why it is important. I will be going over the contents of the nutrition facts label of this food item, and will tell you about the nutrition facts label and why it is useful as a consumer. Then I will go over the serving size with you and the nutrients on the label. I will also go over the difference between added versus total sugars and the footnote on daily value. Finally, I will quiz this person on another food product's nutrition fact label. This is the first of my food products. It is medium shells enriched macaroni product from Publix. This is the second of my food products. Ding dongs. My host is White Fudge. This is my second food product. This person is my roommate, Andrew Kim. This is where you can find the nutrition facts label. It must be on all manufactured food products. You can find it in the information panel, immediately to the right of the principal display panel, which is what you see at the time of purchase. No, this is what you see at the time of purchase. It informs the user of both what important nutrients, minerals, and vitamins are provided by the food product, as well as what the daily expected value is for a consumer. This allows a consumer, such as you, to make more educated decisions about what to consume to stay healthy. The serving size of this product is about 3/4 cup. There are about 8 servings per container, as seen here. The serving size is meant as a benchmark to base the rest of the food label's information on. If there is more than 1 serving per container, well, then the entire container will not contain the amounts discussed on the label. Only the number of servings will. Also, this was recently updated to more accurately reflect expectations of consumers' real consumption. Required on the label are calories, total fat, saturated fat, trans fat, cholesterol, sodium, total carbohydrate, dietary fiber, total sugars, added sugars, protein, and underneath, vitamin D, calcium, iron, and potassium. Daily values for sodium, dietary fiber, and vitamin D were updated because of evidence from the Institute of Medicine. Vitamin A and C are no longer required on this label. Neither is calories from fat, since research has shown this is less important than the type of fat. Added versus total sugars. There's a difference. Added sugars include sugars that are either added during the processing of foods or are packaged as such, and also include sugars from syrups and honey, and sugars from concentrated fruit or vegetable juice. The FDA suggests no more than 10% of daily caloric intake from added sugar, or else it is hard to meet nutrient needs. As you can see here, total sugars here is 2 grams, but 0 grams of added sugar. Sensitive skin, because it does not contribute to 10% of caloric food intake from added sugar. The daily value footnote, which you can see here, it's a footnote, is given for context to ensure that you, as a consumer, understand the percentages and the expected daily intake of a consumer, so you can gauge how much of each nutrient you are consuming, so you can be more informed. It has been updated to become short-term. Daily values are reference amounts of nutrients to consume, or not to consume, to exceed or not to exceed and are used to calculate the percent daily value that manufacturers include on the label. These percentages here. Percentages. Now, I have 3 questions for you. On this other food product, the Ding Dongs, I would first like you to find the nutrition facts label, and I would like you to answer the following questions. How much of this item do you need to fulfill your daily calcium requirement?
Well, it says there's 4% of the daily value of calcium on here, so you would need 25 of these to fulfill the calcium requirement.
And as you can see, I would like to ask you a question. 5 of these, but note that the serving size is 2 cakes. How many cakes would you need?
Well, you would need 25 servings, 2 cakes per serving, so 50 cakes total.
That is correct. Very good, Andrew Kim. That is a lot of cakes. My second question for you is how many servings are there in this package?
In this package, there are 5 servings per container, so 5.
And how many cakes?
5 times 2 is 10.
Very good, Andrew Kim. I heard you were a math champ in school. Okay, based off of this, how much protein would you say there is per cake?
Well, there's 2 grams per serving, so I would say 1 gram per cake.
Excellent answer, Andrew Kim. As you can see, he answered correctly. We all should be proud of him. That is all the questions I have for you. Thank you for your time. He was too excited.